Hey DIY, Jonah here, and today we have a pretty fun unboxing for you guys. This is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, and more specifically, it's the Creator Combo Edition. But what we're going to do for you guys today is go over all the features that it comes with, which it shows here on the back, and then we're going to unbox it and kind of give you guys some little example clips of what this thing actually looks like. So let's jump right into it. All right guys, so here we are. This is the DJI Pocket 3. Let's go ahead and unbox it. There's a nice little film on the top, so we'll cut that off. And one thing to note is we use DJI here pretty much all the time at Toasty Bros. For all of our content we film and record, it's always with DJI, and Jackson actually has, I think, one of these at home, and so he let me unbox this one here, because I believe we got it in for the office here for PC Bros, so let's take a look here, open this right up. Before we actually open it up though, I want to talk about the features that this comes with. So it has a 1-inch CMOS at 4K 120. We have a 2-inch rotatable screen with orientation control. So if you want to go vertical or horizontal, you can actually rotate the screen and I believe it'll just kind of rotate with you. So that's really cool. It is a 3-axis gimbal mechanical stabilization method. So it should have really good stabilization. It's got Active Track 6.0. So I'm assuming some kind of autofocus feature. And then we have full pixel fast focusing, D-Log M 10-bit color. And then we have stereo recording. And then it's obviously pocket size, so it's really easy and on the go. In the box, it's going to come with the Osmo Pocket 3, of course, a protective cover, DJI Mic 2 transmitter, got a handle with a 1/4-inch thread, battery handle, mini tripod, Type-C cable, carrying bag, DJI Mic 2, clip magnet. It's got a windscreen as well, so it'll kind of help muffle the audio, and then of course a wide-angle lens and a strap. So a lot of stuff comes in this little box here, so let's go ahead and open it up and not waste any more time. You got some silica gel. Let's move this out of the package here first. For what they say that's all in the bag here though, I think that's pretty impressive how they can fit everything nice and tidy in a small little form factor here. I like the packaging. It's kind of like a smooth, textured feel to it. It feels like maybe like a bonded fake leather of some kind, but it feels really nice and premium. And upon opening it up, it's kind of all squished in here together. So here is the Osmo 3, nice and smooth. Overall, really nice finish. There's your little camera. And then this is a battery. Here is the actual microphone, and this is different from the normal ones we have. So you can see here, it's got like this kind of like translucent design here, or I guess transparent. You can see the internals of it, that's really cool. You have the record button, USB 3 to offload, obviously audio, status LEDs, and power button and sync button. So really cool. And then this appears to be the clip magnet, if I'm not mistaken. No, I'm sorry, this is a little handle. Okay, so yeah, this is just a little handle, I believe. Yeah, it's the handle with a 1/4-inch thread, so I think this might just help make it easier to hold on the go. And then this is your tripod. I like the size of this, and I also like how low it flips out, because that allows you to get it really low on the ground, especially when you have to screw this onto here and then put this onto the tripod. So a couple adapters, but you know, having a tripod that goes this low, it's pretty important, so I like that. Cool, okay, so this is your little windscreen puff, and it is different from the one that I have here. So they have like a different design, I think. And it kind of just clips in on the side, and then it kind of goes over the top here. So yeah, it's more like an oval instead of a circle, like the one I'm using right now. So that's kind of cool. Feels nice and soft. A little wrist strap if you wanted to use that. Pretty cool. Feels really nice. And then we're almost done, guys. Then we get more silica gel in there, and then we have our USB-C. Pretty straightforward. It isn't that long of a cable, but overall it's pretty nice. So that's pretty much everything in the package. We do have one more box in here actually, and a couple more pieces of paper. But opening this up, oh, okay, here's the protective cover. So it's got a nice, almost anti-slip feel to it. If you can really see it on the camera, it's not really, it's like a rubberized kind of feel. It does feel nice though. And on the inside, what does it say? It has a wide angle lens spot right here, and then Black Pro Mist. Honestly, I'm not too sure about what that means, but nice and cool little cover. I think that's really cool how that makes it a little easier to take it on the go if you really wanted to. You have the Creator Combo, little safety guidelines package, a couple small other things too, and then a little quick start guide. But that is going to be everything for the unboxing experience here. I'm going to get this set up for you, and then I'll show you guys some little test footage of it, and then we'll wrap this video up real quick. All right, guys, so I just went ahead and set everything up for you, and honestly, it was pretty easy to set up. Now, when you do download and set up this DJI Osmo, it's going to ask you to set it up through the app. Now, you can skip it a couple times, so I went ahead and did that since I won't be using it personally, but overall, it's super easy. You just jump right in. And then it also kind of gives you like a little tutorial on how to use the actual system and the interface. So I think that's really cool. And it's honestly really easy to use. Went ahead and turned on the mic, and it automatically paired with the Osmo. So super easy that way. You don't have to do anything weird with pairing or use any cords or anything. So that's really cool. And the IBIS is super nice. I don't know, it's just super fluid and smooth. I'm on 4K 60 right now, and they have all kinds of, like, you can do 1440p, you can do 1080p, and all the way down to like 24 frames a second. So it honestly, like, for vlogging, I would pick this any day over like an actual full frame camera with a big lens, because one, it's super light, so you don't have to worry about like lunking around this giant camera, and two, it's just easy to use and convenient, and comes with a really nice mic to go. So I think it's really nice and has a lot of value to it. If I ever wanted to vlog more often, I'd probably pick one up too, because additionally it also has like really cool dynamic tracking. So if I just hold the screen, it tracks my face immediately. So yeah, I don't know, it's just super easy, and the IBIS is really good. The image quality is amazing for such a small device. So yeah, lots of things to like about this, and you can also flip it really fast. And boom, you're flipped. Here's Matt.
Hi.
Matt, do you approve?
I approve.
Sweet. So yeah, that's pretty much gonna wrap up this video. If you wanna check one of these out, maybe we can leave some kind of affiliate link or something like that down below. I don't know if that's an option or not, but yeah, just check the links in the description down below, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.